up? It's Canary, and you are tuned into Hype AC. I am music. I'm music. It's in me. It just happened. I've always been a part of music. Like I said, I am music. I think music runs through my veins. So, my parents would give me instruments as toys, like for Christmas and stuff like that. And I don't think they realized what they were doing. And I just start playing piano, guitar, drums, and then I turned it into something or I could say, it turned into something that I actually loved. People call me Songbird. People call me Songbird. I had a lot of names. If people or when people know me, they'll probably call me Kwani Love because I used to be a rapper. Dark skin 90s kid. Oh God. Official songstress. I was getting somewhere, and then it was like boom, Canary, not the superhero, the bird. Because I'm so versatile and I can pretty much bring anything to the table. If you put it in front of me, I'll execute it. So I just will throw myself in the category of pop because I always bring head nods. You hear a Canary song, you're gonna bop automatically, no matter what. So. I talk a lot. I'm very verbal and animated. So I normally sing just whatever comes to my head, and things just come together, and I'll write it down or type it out or put it on a voice memo, most likely. If I had the opportunity to collab with anyone, okay, let's see. This is a good question. Anyone. Oh, this is so hard. Of course, they have to be a writer off the bat, because I'm a writer. So maybe, I don't know, Jasmine Sullivan, she's just she's so lit. Hi, Jazz. I have to pick Jasmine. Hey. What's up? Keep your head up. Don't ever let nobody catch you slipping. And never ever go thirsty. Stay hydrated. It goes, I want it to be. I want it to be everything I need and more. 'Cause your love is like home. You gotta check it out. It's a good song. Shut up sometimes. That's good advice. Think about it. Just think about it. Just shut up sometimes, I look forward to traveling to other countries. Just dropping more music and gaining more fan love. Not even fan love, but people who actually vibe with me, you know what I'm saying? The flock. The nest. Okay, so my mind, I have a dirty mind. Sorry. I don't know. I have no idea. Next. These are IQ questions. What? Why now? Oh, God. This is embarrassing. Projects, not necessarily, but I did just drop a single. Canary, Can't Breathe. Just gonna look out for more music on all streaming platforms. All of them. Instagram is The Canary Sounds. You can find me on Twitter. You can find me on Snapchat. It is all the same. The Canary Sounds. Got that music for your soul. So come follow me and find me and vibe with me. What's up? It's your girl Canary, and you just tuned into Hype AC.